afternoon, everybody. First of all, thank you for the organizers for giving me this opportunity. First, I would like to give the one line on the keywords. Shanties, sea shanties means songs which related to sea. And the second one is Mappila. Mappilas are Muslim communities in northern Kerala or Lakshadweep. Lascars are ordinary seafarers or sailors, ordinary laborers in the traditional wind-driven sailing vessels. Here, my research examines the cultural trajectories of Mappila Lascars from Ponnani coast located in the Malabar region of Kerala. The Lascar community has played a pivotal role in maritime trade, transportation, and pilgrimage across the Indian Ocean until the close of the previous century. Here, the study aims to trace or retrace the maritime routes they navigated, the ocean they traversed from Kerala to different coasts in India, especially to Mumbai, and different coasts in Gujarat, and also from Kerala to coasts in West Asian countries, and also to different coasts in Africa. And the cultures they encountered, the languages they known, the cuisine they tasted, and the music they involved, and the multifaceted aspect of their cultural interaction. It highlights the historical significance and contributions of these communities to cross-cultural interaction. This study implies the analysis of sea shanties or sea songs, a distinctive cultural artifacts that emerged during their extensive maritime voyages on the traditional wind-powered sailing vessel. You can see the photograph of a Patema or Tau sailing vessel. The significance of the research. The Mappila Lascars from Malabar have left little records on their maritime voyages. They are the most underprivileged section of the society. Still now, most of them are under below poverty line still. Nonetheless, however, their narratives and experiences have extensively been chronicled through our traditions, folklore, and songs. These elements are paramount as they endeavor to reconceptualize the regional history, which has traditionally been perceived through the lens of land-based communities confined with specific territorial boundaries. What does preservation of culture means? The study endeavors to map the maritime life form of the community, positing that such an examination is essential not only for the preservation of the community's heritage, but also for the safeguarding their identity. Currently, the identity of the community at the verge of extinction or fragmentation due to multiple reasons, especially of climate change and social mobility and many other factors. You can see an image of this flight of a seafarer whose house destroyed. Many houses are there. They're facing severe coastal erosion problems. Many are compelled to evacuate from their natural environment to flat-type rehabilitation centers. What does preservation mean? First things is the indigenous epistemology of traditional wisdom or traditional knowledge. First thing is the navigational expertise, the celestial navigational technique. Even in the age of modern navigational technique, these seafarers relied dominantly on the traditional navigation technique, which predominantly relied on stars, moon, sky, and the mountain hills in the sea, and such and such. And the unique level skills, such as lifting unimaginable heavy cargo, lifting cargo from one place to another, and the ability to forecast natural hazards. One more thing I missed is their spiritual wisdom to forecast or to prevent natural hazards. They have such certain hydrographics, certain spiritual prayers. They believe that it will prevent natural hazards, which sometimes claim they are being here. And the other thing is their cultural footprints, their artistical performance, rituals, and musical traditions like sea shanties. It reflects the multifaceted aspect of aspects of their maritime domain of this community. What is sea shanties? In their representing to the advent of mass communication, these songs played a crucial role in disseminating knowledge, ideas, information, beliefs within the maritime communities of Malabar, which also used it as a powerful medium to mobilize the community to a common cause. These travel accounts provide valuable insight into the geography, ethnography, and the cultural history of these communities. Here, one song, this song composed by a sailor from the community in the context of a massive leather strike, which was against wage exploitation by the British-owned sailing vessel companies in back 1950s. It is the purpose of the song was to mobilize and to make the people conscious about the injustice they face. My previous presenter rightly said that when we documenting a history, the sound, the emotional dynamics, the tonality, everything is important. So I prefer to sing another song. Here is a song. It's composed by Haji Abdul Razak Mazari, also from the community. He was a spontaneous versifier, he was a Sufi singer, he was a hitchhiking novel. Singing was his way of making a living. Nobody asked him payment for ticket. This song he composed when he was returning from Makkah after pilgrimage. He describes the nature of the sailing vessel, the name of the vessel, the cargo, and the port, and the crew members, and everything. You can read the translation. Fattahin kuduratal vidanan pugal tetam. Fattahin kuduratal vidanan pugal tetam. Patahussamadanenna patte marinde otam. Patahussamadanenna patte marinde otam. Ananda mailatam. Ananda mailatam. Mette padiponnanile kuppu kettiye. Mette padiponnanile kuppu kettiye. Yettanidarapoduduva njangal chaattiye. Suttan nidiyum saangu ase narutti tettam. Patahussamadanenna patte marinde ottam. Ananda mailatam. Ananda mailatam. He resembles the voyages of the vessels into the dancing of a beautiful peacock, because you can see the vessel with 4 sails traveling with powerful winds. It's just like a dance of a peacock. There are many songs. I am very humble to say my research is a pioneering attempt to document this song. I have collected more than 10 to 11 songs from the cultural memory of the community. I'm concluding. This study demonstrates these shanties, the folk tales, or oral narratives are invaluable source of information for understanding the dynamic history of any community, often overlooked in traditional historical research. Through the lens of shanties, here my research illuminates the vibrant life force of the Mappila rescue community, offering a nuanced understanding of their historical resilience as they navigated the ever-changing dynamics of the Indian Ocean. Moreover, it highlights how these shanties give voice to previously marginalized community perspectives, contributing a subaltern narratives. The central argument emphasizes that the preserving the cultural heritage of a community is not only vital for sustaining its legacy, but also crucial for communities' continued existence. Moreover, one more point I would like to make is, through these subaltern renderings, these communities sought to historicize their existence, or contemporize or universalize their existence and reclaim their agency in the trade history of Malabar. Even though they are representing a micro community situating in a geographical area which is smaller than the university campus, their life world, their cosmopolitan aura, they try to mark their footprints, legacy in the vast realm of the cis-oceanic history of Indian Ocean with the help of the cultural artifact which evolved from their natural life world. That's the power of cultural artifact. That's my argument. Thank you.